Have you ever considered straw as a key player in your potato yield? Let's dive in to discover why you should. Straw, often dismissed as mere waste, holds untold potential to revolutionize your farming practices. It's an unassuming hero, waiting in the wings, ready to double, even triple your potato yield. And it's not just about the numbers. Using straw in your farming practice can lead to healthier, more robust potato plants. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can transform your potato cultivation. So how does this humble material work its magic? It's all about creating the perfect microclimate for your potatoes to flourish. By providing insulation, suppressing weeds, and retaining moisture, straw sets the stage for your potatoes to put on their best performance yet. Stay tuned as we unravel the process of using straw to double your potato yield. Straw isn't just waste, it's a resource waiting to be tapped into for your potato cultivation. This humble byproduct of farming can be the secret weapon you've been missing in your potato growing arsenal. Now you might be wondering, how does one use straw in potato cultivation? Well, it's surprisingly straightforward. As your potato plants begin to sprout and grow, all you need to do is layer straw around the base of the plants. This layer, also known as mulch, serves several critical functions in supporting the health of your potato plants. Firstly, straw mulch acts as a fantastic weed suppressor. By covering the soil, it prevents sunlight from reaching the weed seeds, inhibiting their germination and growth. This means your potato plants face less competition for nutrients and have a better shot at thriving. Secondly, straw mulch excels at retaining moisture. It acts as a protective barrier, preventing water from evaporating from the soil surface. This is particularly beneficial in hot, dry climates where water conservation is essential. Your potato plants will have a consistent supply of water, ensuring they stay hydrated and healthy. But the benefits of straw don't stop there. The straw layer creates a beneficial microclimate for your potatoes. It insulates the soil, keeping it cooler in hot weather and warmer in cool weather. This stable temperature encourages healthier root development and stimulates the potatoes to produce more tubers. Using straw in potato cultivation is not just about improving yield, it's also about sustainability. By using straw, a waste product, you're reducing the need for synthetic weed suppressants and water-wasting irrigation systems. Plus, at the end of the season, the straw can be composted and returned to the soil, enriching it with organic matter and promoting a healthy soil ecosystem. So, next time you see straw, see it as a valuable tool for your potato plants. With its ability to suppress weeds, retain moisture, and create a beneficial microclimate, straw could be the key to unlocking your potato yield potential. How does straw mulching work? Let's break it down. When we think of straw, we often associate it with farm animals, bedding, or perhaps decorative scarecrows. But in the world of potato farming, straw plays a much more fundamental role. You see, straw is an excellent mulching material. Mulching is the process of covering the soil surface around plants with a protective layer of material, in this case, straw. So, how does this work? Well, the magic lies in the straw's insulating properties. By layering straw around the base of your potato plants, you're creating a sort of insulation blanket for the soil. This blanket keeps the soil cooler in hot weather and warmer in cool weather. It's like giving your soil a cozy sweater to wear all year round. Now, why is this important for your potatoes? The answer lies in the roots. Potatoes, as we all know, grow underground. They need a stable, comfortable temperature for optimal growth and development. By providing this stable environment, the straw mulch promotes healthier root development. But it doesn't stop there. A healthy root system encourages the potato plants to produce more tubers. More tubers mean more potatoes. More potatoes mean a more bountiful harvest. It's a simple equation, really. Additionally, straw mulch helps to suppress weeds. Weeds are notorious for competing with your potato plants for nutrients, water, and space. By keeping the weeds at bay, your potatoes have all the resources they need to grow and thrive. But perhaps one of the most significant benefits of straw mulching is its ability to retain moisture. As we all know, water is a crucial element for plant growth. Straw mulch reduces evaporation from the soil surface, ensuring that your potatoes have a consistent supply of water. So, when you add all these benefits together, it's not hard to see why straw mulching is such a game changer. This simple act of mulching with straw can significantly increase your potato yield. So the next time you look at a pile of straw, remember it's not just waste. It's a powerful tool in your farming arsenal, ready to help you achieve a more bountiful potato harvest. Now that we know how straw mulching works, let's explore its results and benefits. The impact of straw mulching on potato yield can be nothing short of transformative. By creating a beneficial microclimate and suppressing weed growth, straw mulching can significantly boost the productivity of your potato patch. Look at it this way. When you apply straw mulch around your growing potato plants, you're essentially giving them a cozy, protective blanket. This blanket helps to conserve water by reducing evaporation, meaning your potatoes stay well hydrated even during dry spells. But the benefits of straw mulching go beyond just water conservation. By suppressing weed growth, straw mulching reduces the need for chemical herbicides. This means healthier soil, healthier potatoes, and a healthier environment. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. And the increase in yield? Well, that's where the magic really happens. Studies have shown that straw mulching can double or even triple potato yields compared to traditional cultivation methods. That's right, triple. Imagine harvesting 3 times the amount of potatoes from the same patch of land. It's a game changer, but the benefits of straw mulching don't stop at harvest time. After the potatoes have been harvested, the straw can be composted, returning valuable organic matter back to the soil. This contributes to the sustainability of farming, closing the loop and ensuring that nothing goes to waste. So, the next time you find yourself with a pile of straw, think twice before throwing it away. That straw could be the secret weapon you need to transform your potato yield. So don't throw away that straw. It's your secret weapon for a bountiful potato harvest. From water conservation and reduced herbicide use to increased yield and improved sustainability, the benefits of straw mulching are clear. And the best part? All it takes is a bit of straw and a willingness to try something new. So why not give it a go? Using straw to increase your potato yield is a game changer. This humble material, often overlooked, is a secret weapon for doubling, even tripling your potato harvest. It's a win-win. You conserve water, reduce chemical use, and boost your yield. And at the end of the season, compost it right back into the soil. So the next time you see straw, don't throw it away. Use it to boost your potato yield and let us know your results.